Well, there you have it. I should have done it right the first time. I was trying to save a couple $100 and not have to buy fence lumber and put up a fence and screw that to an actual fence. I thought I could make it stand on its own by bracing it and, putting it accordion style. Well, this is the second time I've had to rebuild it. So I'm doing it right this time. Excuse me. Look at that. I did that today. Concrete is curing. I'll come tomorrow and put up the doors, and we'll let that concrete set up a little bit. So, yeah, if the wind blows it over this time, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't meant to be. Stony Ford gets some pretty big winds coming down off of Snow Mountain. All right, tomorrow, doors. The door fence project is completed. I did it right this time. Looks great. Nice and sturdy. Don, why did you build this amazing, beautiful door fence? I made it to block view of all my metal sculpture material from the main house over there, so you don't see it from the house, because it's kind of nasty looking. Let's take a look at the front side. Look at that. It's amazing. I like it a lot better than the accordion style that I had before. The way I made it before, that fell down twice because it sucked, because I was in a rush and didn't want to dig the holes and do all the work. It's never time to do it right the first time, but there's always time to do it over. Well, there you go. I love my door wall, and I hope you do too. See ya.